Top-Notch Awards for 2020. I have the pleasure of inviting Mr. G.D. Palsana, ACP Cybercrime. He won the Silver Award in the Cities category for Surakshita application. Congratulations, Mr. Palsana.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Heartiest congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
The next award in the cities goes to Khandwa Municipal Corporation for Project Sambandh. Mr. Himanshu, Municipal Commissioner.
Thank you very much. I am here on behalf of Mr. Himanshu. Congratulations. Thank you.
Municipal Council Lanji for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Beneficiary Construction, Mr. Prafulla Gadre, Chief Municipal Officer.
Sir, it is a matter of great pride and honor for me to receive such a great award. Thank you very much, the whole SPOS team, respected coaches, sir. Thanks a lot. We will keep doing the good work. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. In such a small city, you making such a large difference. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. I'm very much honored.
Became deserving of the Gold Award. Our next city response, the silver, goes to Kannukara Panchayat, Mr. Francis Thariel, Panchayat President.
Thank you very much, sir.
You are very happy. We are very happy
Thank
that
you.
you won it.
Yes, very good. Thank you very much for your award.
And thank you for smiling and laughing. It needs many.
Thank you.
Congratulations. I now invite District Administration Wardha for its response to COVID. In the District Response, Silver Award for Mr. Vivek Vimanwar, Collector and District Magistrate. Move on to the next. G. Kumar Mishra, Collector and District Magistrate, receiving the Silver Award in the District Response category.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Gusaranji. Thank you, Coach sir.
I
Thank
love
you very much.
the enthusiasm with which Tabra participate.
And I dedicate it to all the COVID warriors.
It has a formidable climate presence. Lot of
Thank you,
people
sir.
come from Tabra. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Go back, I saw Mr. Vivek Vimanwar coming.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I will late. Yes. Thanks for this award, sir. And really, it's a very encouraging and it's a proud moment for me. And I know that this award comes with a lot of responsibility also. And I'm sure that with the encouragement and the support which I'm getting from everywhere, we will be able to do something better in the coming years too.
Congratulations, Mr. Vimanwar. If you look for an
Thank you, sir.
alternative area, you should join the forces. You are doing
Yes,
things
sir.
with army precision.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I now invite Mr. Sangram Keshri Mahapatra, Collector and District Magistrate, for Silver Award in District Response. Mr. Keshri, please unmute yourself.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. We are really appreciating your effort. We are really proud, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next Silver Award goes to Dr. A. Sharad, Collector and District Magistrate, Kamareddy District. Response to COVID.
Excellent work.
I now invite Mr. Avinash Kishan Singh, District Magistrate, Humble. Silver Award in District Response.
Thank you, sir. I am Dr. Danish. On behalf of Mr. Avinash, I'm collecting the award. It has been really an honor. Sorry, I'm still in the field.
That is why you win.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Kumar Ravi, District Magistrate, Patna, Silver Award in the District Response category.
Thank you, sir. We are still in the war room, and Ravi sir just isolated himself due to our civil servant got positive. But I have no words. Thank you a lot for this recognition. You know, we are in the beginning and we have to fight along. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations and all the best to your team, and I hope you all recover very fast.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. I now invite District Collector Mr. Varun from Puducherry, Silver Award in District Response. Mr. Sushil Kumar Patel, Collector and District Magistrate, Gold Award in Response.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I've been to Mirzapur many years back in my youth.
Yes, sir. It's a pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Mr. M. Girija Shankar, Commissioner, Panchayati Raj and Rural Development from Andhra Pradesh for DBT for Effective Initiatives under MGNREGA. In Governance, Silver Award goes to him.
Congratulations.
Mr. Girija Shankar.
हाँ नमस्कार मिस्टर
Namaskar.
बस ठीक है अच्छे हैं
Good evening, sir. Sir, on behalf of Commissioner, I am Deputy Commissioner Vigilance and PS2 Commissioner Civil, sir. Thank you very much for the award, sir. Convey our sincere thanks to the entire Scotch team, and we'll continue to do our best in the future also, sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
I now invite Mr. Sajid Memon, Secretary from Chhattisgarh in Governance, receiving silver.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are obliged. We are being recognized. Thank you. Thank you, Samirji. Thank you, Bhushanji. Next time we will definitely participate for good.
Absolutely. I now invite Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary, Information Technology, Electronics and Communications and Industry from Telangana for this project, Teach It, Silver in Governance.
Well, thank you all. Thank you for awarding this summit, this award to us. It's indeed an honor to the Scotch Summit. We wanted to use emerging technologies to improve governance, improve service delivery to citizens, and it's a great platform for us to showcase our work that we have done so. And really, I thank all the panelists for acknowledging our work. Thank you.
Ramaji, congratulations. Your reputation precedes you. I watched regularly your work, and as a lady, the contributions you're making to fields of blockchain and AI are formidable. I know of your work, so compliments.
Sir, thank you, sir. Coming from you is really a great acknowledgement, and really it's an honor. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
The next silver in governance goes to Mr. Sachin Rana, Mission Director, Chandigarh Skill Development Mission for implementation of Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana.
Hello, thank you so much. Thank you, Kocher Sahab. Thank you, Scotch Group, for acknowledging this our little achievements. And I really thankful to my entire team and all the partners here who have come across and help us to achieve this kind of an acknowledgement from such a prestigious group. Thank you.
Governance, gold goes to the Panchayat Raj and Rural Development Department, Andhra Pradesh, Mr. M. Girija Shankar, Commissioner PR and RD, for capacity building and training under MGNREGA.
Sir, once again, sir, actually our commissioner has gone for a meeting with the finance department, sir. I convey my sincere thanks to Mr. Samir Kochar and Dr. Gursharan Saab. And it's a very proud moment for us, sir, having won 2 awards already. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations. Gold in governance goes to Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary from Telangana, for blockchain-based property registration governance.
Again, thank you all for selecting a project for this really wonderful award. Thank you all. Thank you, panelists. Again, in fact, when we started our journey in emerging technologies, we were not really sure whether we should adopt these technologies in the government. We started to adopt new technologies in government. But our government was able to do it. But at the end, the Scotch Summit, acknowledging that, awarding that award, is a great thing for us. Thank you.
I have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Harendra Prasad, Chief Executive Officer, Andhra Pradesh Center for Financial Services for FMS 2.0.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of Government of Andhra Pradesh, I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart for recognizing our efforts. At this moment, I would like to thank my fellow colleagues from the department as well as our technology partner SAP, who have been working with us hand in hand in this whole endeavor. I thank the jury and other members for conferring this award on us, and we will strive hard to do our best in all our future endeavors. Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure.
Congratulations. Excellent job.
Thank you, sir.
The next silver in Digital India goes to Mr. V.G. Venkat Reddy, Director of Mines and Geology from Andhra Pradesh, for online system for mineral audit involving regulation of buying, storing and transportation.
This is Srinivas Chaudhary. Our director is meeting with the Secretary of the Government of India. On behalf of him, I am here, sir. And we are very delighted and we are very happy, sir. And it will bestow a lot of responsibility on us and to take it further forward, sir, in the business sector. Thanks a lot, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. P. Mohan Gandhi, Managing Director, West Bengal Small Industries Development Corporation Limited, Silver Award in Digital India for land allotment, estate services and building plan sanction. Please unmute yourself.
Congratulations. You're on mute.
Still muted.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear.
Hello. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Lord. Sir. Lot of thanks, sir. Lot of thanks, sir, for giving sir the award.
From your organizations, the small and medium enterprises have a lot of hope.
Yes, sir.
So God bless you. Do well.
Sir, we have given best effort within West Bengal. We have the first organization who already 250 cases has been resolved through this online system. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Will be appreciated for next some softwares or public service for good governance. Thank you, sir, again.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. R.K. Sohane, Director, Bihar Agricultural University. Technology and capacity for farmers, farm women and rural youth. Gold Award for Digital India.
Thanks on behalf of Bihar Agriculture University to Scotch Group to identify Bihar Agriculture University, and credit goes to Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh, Vice Chancellor, Bihar Agriculture University. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dr. T. Prabhu Shankar, Executive Director, Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board. Gold Award Digital India category. A project for Water 2.0.
Good evening, everyone. Again, honor to be bestowed with this award. The program was a digital innovation created right in the midst of the drought. So I'm very thankful to my entire team of engineers at Chennai Metro working with the and to our chairman, our principal secretary, and our managing director, who, by their dynamic leadership, ensured the drought in Chennai of 2019 was managed so efficiently and so wonderfully well. Thank you, Scott, for bestowing this award. It's been a wonderful pleasure all day. Thank you.
Congratulations, very well deserved.
Thank you.
I now invite Sri Deepthi, General Manager, Telangana State Mineral Development Corp, to receive Gold Award in Digital India for Management and Monitoring System.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, the Scotch Group, for giving us the recognition. That on behalf of the whole of TSMDC team, we thank the Scotch Group, sir, for recognizing our efforts. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
The next for Digital India goes to Rajankar, Associate Center for Mahamudar.
Thank you, Scotch Group. I dedicate this award to my displaced farmer of my state, and by this software we have abolished whole entire system of deciding the drought and introduce a new software which has all the capacity to correct and detect the drought digitally. And to recognize this award, the central government has sponsored more than 4,000 crore to the distressed farmer using this software. So thank you very much, Scotch Group, for bestowing this award.
Thank you on behalf of all the farmers.
Gold in Digital India goes to Neelam Sanghi, Additional CPFC, Employees Provident Fund Organization for EPFIG-MS.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, madam. Fantastic work by EPFO yet again.
Thank you, sir, very much. I'm so glad that you gave us this opportunity to present our work, and you appreciated it. And we have, since we started last year, more than 15 lakh people have benefited, and there are crores of people who can make use of this technology. So Dr. Gurcharan ji, Dr. Samir ji, आपको बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. India for Samadhan portal. I invite Ms. Kalpana Raj Singh, Joint Secretary.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of my Joint Secretary, ma'am, she is not available here. From our team Samadhan, thank you so very much. We are honored. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You have a very tastefully done home.
Sorry, sir?
You have a very tastefully done background. I can see some very nice interiors behind you.
Thanks, sir. Thank you.
Gold in Digital India, being received by Dr. Navaljeet Kapoor, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, for his work in empowering tribals through IT-enabled scholarship.
Thank you, Scotch Group. On behalf of
Congratulations.
I feel honored to receive this award. As I said in morning also, this recognition gives us more enthusiasm to work more hard, and this will give us more. My team, I am thankful to my team, my secretary, our minister, who has given us hand to work for this. Thank you once again.
Your ministry has the blessings of some of the poorest of India. The tribals are the most marginalized. And if you are helping them, God will help you. God bless you.
I'm very sure that the next year, this year I was not knowing that we have only for one thing. Next year we will bring at least 6 projects which are working on digital empowerment of the tribals. Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, highest in Digital India and across all awards is in platinum. That goes to Mr. P.V. Salim, Secretary, CM Office, Government of West Bengal for PMO Public Grievance System e-Samadhan. A big round of applause for him.
Congratulations, Mr. Salim. This is the only platinum award being conferred today. So, you must have done a very, very good job.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Respected jury members, the award committee, respected Chairman Saab, all other members from the Scotch family, all dignitaries, my colleagues, and all the award winners. It's a great privilege for me on behalf of the state of West Bengal. It's a great privilege for all of us to receive this prestigious award recognition from an agency, an occasion like Scotch. The Chief Minister's Office Public Grievance System is not just like any other grievance system which is available in every other department in the state. It's a completely different system where every step has been taken to ensure that every citizen is, the government is accessible, or every citizen is accessible to the government. The citizens can file grievances to the government through every other mode, be it online, through the call centers, through physical mode. We have set up around 2,700 centers, common service centers across the state for collecting grievances from citizens who are, digitally disadvantaged. After receiving grievances, the citizens get an automated acknowledgement. After that, there is a time frame of 24 hours to 7 days to address the grievance. On addressing the grievance, the complainant gets an intimation asking for their feedback, whether they are happy with the redressal, whether they have anything further to tell the government. Depending on their feedback, we take further steps to ensure that the quality of grievance is up to the level desired. You must be knowing, under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, the government of West Bengal has taken very many steps to reach out to the citizens, to make the government and the governance responsive and accountable. I'm very happy that one of the major steps which was taken by the government of West Bengal has been recognized by none other than the Scotch Group. We are privileged. Thank you very much. This award and recognition will make our job, our responsible, more and more responsible to the citizen, and in the days and years to come, I'm sure we will rise up to the occasion. Once again, thank you so much.
Congratulations, Salim Saab. Do communicate my good wishes to the Honorable Chief Minister. I think her heart beats for the people of West Bengal, and your CM dashboard is a living example, testimony to that. Very, very good.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. We are privileged.
So that brings us to the end of the announcement for the Scotch Award for the current season. My heartiest congratulations to all the winners, and I look forward to seeing you all all over again in the near future, as and when there is an opportunity. But before we go, we will organize a group picture. Kindly switch on all your cameras so that everybody is visible, and we switch to the gallery view so that we can take a group picture that can be utilized for promotion. All right, we are done with it. Thank you very much. Thank you all for joining us. Thank you very much, Dr. Phatak, for providing us the guidance, which you have always been doing, event after event, award after award. And that is something which we have always been looking forward to.
Most important point is you have been able to collect together such a large number of enthusiastic and dedicated workers. The recognition is, I think, just one of the aspects. The fact that all of them are here together, and I could see the enthusiasm with which they were speaking while acknowledging the award. More power to your elbows, all friends, and keep on doing the great job.
Dr. Phatak, what is most gratifying for me is I made so many people smile today.
Yes.
Absolutely. Well, thank you all once again. Dr. Phatak, we are eternally grateful to you for you taking time out. I know you have been really tied up through the day. And all the delegates, all the recipients, and all the panelists, all speakers, thank you all once again. Have a good day.
Thank you, Guran.
Good evening.
And thank you, Samir Kochar.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you, Samirji. Thank you, Prashanji. Thank you.
Thanks a lot to the Scotch group from Chennai Metro Water. Thank you.
Thank you, Samirji. Thank you, Gurcharanji. Thank you.